Hello everyone, this is Jeremy from Flatware Creations. I haven't done a what's in my tumbler for a while because I haven't been running it a whole lot, but this is half of an order for bud vases. So I got the spoons in the tumbler now, and all these guys will sit up like this on top of the spoon. So I think there's 50 something here, and then as I was cutting them I was also making some birdhouse bodies, some bells, and then these will probably end up being like toothpick holders or something, and then there was a random ring that was in there. So these bells should come out pretty cool, but I'm excited. I hope everyone has a great day, and make sure you subscribe.